Sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Bah Prestone tensong harangkat ke MDC jong ke Nongshken constituency ke Kongres Meri Kharpuri kila aiti ke bus ban kid school sha ke school Dewdrop Academy Friendship School Nongshken mat ia kene ke kali la aiti sha ke principal Bakren hakene ke sngi na kaliang Bah Prestone tensong la ai ke jingaro ya kene ke school kabel ai jing syakri ya ki kena jong ke dong bat kathanyi boro ka wai Ulakan turu iki kena pulih bagi day ben Tracy Dam nomor day lang ba gajing nang jingstan bagi la ban kiu sakaman habun ki benta ulakan turu iki nong penyat ben penkre ya gajing temu gajungki na ka benta sisnam ban ban man ra hau bat bani song berkhan kenang ba gajing temu jungki kan urlong madudongan gajing kerman bakani ke school kan long kanuksa na ka benta ki wei pat ki school jong ka dong bat kathai
The bus letters are given today, and I came to know that you came to the village, and I took this opportunity to do the inauguration of the bus. And I would like to say thank you so much for this. I will tell you, when I write a proposal to the CM for our school bus, and then I send a message to sir telling sir we have a proposal. Then, sir, I remember the word he said, I'll get it done. I'll get it done. Give a big hands. And it truly happened within a month. So thank you very much, sir. So the sanction of this bus, it's 18,05,000. And we procured this bus 27.5, including all the registration and all. And the support which we got from Anandya's Bangalore, 3 lakhs, sorry, and from Sunbird Trust we also got 3 lakhs, and with the remaining amount we also taking a small little bit loan to fill up, because if we carry this take a small one, it will not be sufficient for our students. So this is the story. And we also say that when we begin the school in 2019, we begin with 15 students, and then now we shifted to 2021 here. The lands given by my mother, it's from here to down there, and initially this all very rough, but we make little until it become this much. And Sir Prestone is very passionate about our school, and whenever I go and tell him, sir, we need the road, I send a picture, and then it happened, and we got this also because of him. So he has done with us a lot. So this is for you, my dear children. So a big hands for that again. Thank you so much. So very much into the constituency and all over the state. Whenever people talk about him in the social media, my friends far and across, they will say that what he's doing. He has been an MLA for 5 and he's the Deputy Chief Minister. What has he done for your constituency? Then I would just send a picture. I said, I have come across the state, travel around the state all over Meghalaya. You come and see my state, my constituency, and then you speak. Without seeing, please shut up your mouth. They cannot fight with me. I always say that if you want the picture also, I said I can send. They can't negotiate anymore. I would say, don't speak before you come and see. I'll give you, please come to my house. I'll allow you to stay here, see first, and then comments. So then this is the way I keep them shut their mouth. So sir has already done so much, okay, and he will be doing much more. I hope that he has seen us. Then he will be also helping us whatever we are in need. And we also have here Ma'am Grace, who are also done so much for the constituency. Happy to have you here. Ma'am, we look forward to continue to work with you. And Sir BDO, he's also the one who helped getting for the speed delivery of the school bus. I text him, I said, sir, this is the one, we have to do it before, and then he get it done. So this is the one, the process is walking all around, and we get it really done. And it's very privileged again to have you all here. So thank you so much. Without further ado,
entering this campus, in fact, it was just a dream for me. I met Jenny not less than 5-6 times. That time she just came back from, I think, Maharashtra or something, from Mumbai. Then she told me about her dream. She would like to have this kind of schools where she would like to see that young boys, young girls get equal opportunity in their studies. And I'm really shocked to see the hard work done by the principal has reached this stage. So thank you so much, Jenny. Thank you so much. God will keep blessing you, and I'm sure He will shower His wisdom upon you. And with your strong team, your teachers who are all here, you look so dedicated. And I am always there. Congress is always there, being an MDC. And not only that, on behalf of the government, we are there with you. So I've seen now the enrollment has reached this much, and much more in the near futures. I'm very sure this campus will be full. So, because I don't have time much, and you know now the rainy season and the road condition is not that good. I think next time I will come and spend more time with you. We sit down, we discuss, and Principal Madam, please come over, meet me again, and give me some kind of maybe the proposed annual action plan here in your campus, and we will sit down and we will discuss, and then ultimately we will make sure that this school grows. And when it grows, I'm very sure it will, be a blessing to the entire area of Nongshken. Not only Nongshken, I think Umnyuk side, even Nongjeri.
11 covered, we had 250 students.
250
11 villages.
Or 250 students.
Yeah, we cannot call the small children.
Yes. So 250 students, I think it's really so impressed. I'm really impressed with the way you are running the school. Ihet kibarit, kabang kwa yo kum kanika jai school, des ngobha, shim ya kanika kabuksiar, bandi ya kanika jingnang gajik start, tam kanika surrounding, kabas ngotenat kabay itenat hadu kata-kata. Namar balay habangin lake ban puli ngiyay rengkat bat ke environment. Belong so healthy. I think, Madam Principal, maybe, I don't know, maybe ultimately this campus can be converted into a residential school. Maybe I think your dream is a little bit there. So we are there together, and let us maybe convert it into a full-fledged residential school of this area. And I'm very sure by doing that, by starting that, it will really boost the education sector in this area. So I don't want to speak much to take much time. As I said to you, we are running out of time. God bless you. My dear children, God bless you. Please, as I said to you, study hard. Nowadays, you need to understand one thing. The best weapon that we have in the world is education. People will not be scared of anything. But the moment people knows that you are fully equipped in education, people will run away from you. So nobody can touch you, and nobody can't underestimate you. So God bless you. Ubleun kurku ya piki kena school ya tinong hikai borok bat kham tam ya I principal iba haduk kat ni ka jingkitli ke jongi ko mga ong pi ni duai bo bleun dorangkat lembat kanika school dorangkat lembat piki kena school I nong hikai be bat borok ke bedon mata ha ka jing panyai ya kanika school ko le ya pi saja.